At Atelier Playa Mujeres, the all-inclusive plan includes access to all 13 a la carte restaurants and 12 bars, including 2 swim-up spots that make it easy to sip cocktails without ever leaving the water. The minibar in your suite is fully stocked and refilled daily, and room service is available around the clock, all included in the rate. Throughout the day, you can take part in snorkeling, yoga, and cooking classes, or simply relax by one of the 4 outdoor pools, where premium drinks and attentive service are part of the experience. Every evening, there's live entertainment and themed performances that add a lively finish to quiet days by the sea. The only extras you'll need to plan for are spa treatments at the New Spa, where massages start at around $175, and private airport transfers, which cost between $40 and $90 each way, depending on the provider. Some of the high-end dining options cost extra, which I'll come to in just a moment. I'll reveal more details as we go, including exact room pricing, but if you're ready to book, my limited time discount link below will save you 40%. The location of Atelier Playa Mujeres is a big part of its appeal. It sits on a quiet stretch of beach in Playa Mujeres, well away from the busy hotel zone of Cancun. That gives it a more private, upscale atmosphere, but it's still close enough to get around easily when you want to explore. The drive from Cancun International Airport takes around 40 minutes, and private transfers are easy to pre-book so you can head straight to the resort without waiting in lines. Just a short drive away, you'll find the ferry terminal to Isla Mujeres, making day trips to the island simple and quick. You're also within easy reach of golf, sailing tours, eco-parks, and zipline excursions, all of which operate nearby. For those who prefer to stay put, the resort's beachfront layout means the sand is just steps from the pools. No long boardwalks or crowded streets to navigate. It's a location that strikes a rare balance, quiet enough to feel exclusive but close enough to make exploring effortless. The most accessible way to experience this resort is in the Junior Suite Ocean View, which starts at around $216 per person per night when shared by 3 guests and booked via my discount link below. These rooms offer either 2 queen beds or a king with a sofa bed, plus a furnished balcony overlooking the ocean. It's a comfortable, straightforward option that gives you the full all-inclusive experience without paying for upgrades. For travelers who love having the pool right at their doorstep, the Inspira Junior Suite Swim Out is a clear step up. Priced at about $378 per person per night based on 3 guests, it gives you direct access to a semi-private swim-out pool from your terrace. This room is a favorite among couples and small groups who prefer quieter mornings or lazy afternoons with easy water access. If you're looking for more space and a more exclusive feel, the Inspira Business Suite comes in at roughly $509 per person per night when shared by 3 guests. This suite includes a spacious living area and premium views, creating more of a private retreat for travelers who want to elevate their stay with extra comfort and breathing room. Amenities at Atelier Playa Mujeres are centered around creating a relaxed, high-end atmosphere without making anything feel overcomplicated. One of the standout features is the property's design itself. Open, modern, and built to keep everything close. You're never walking far to reach the beach, the pool, or a bar, which makes the resort feel surprisingly calm even when it's full. The spa is a major draw here, with a full hydrotherapy circuit, treatment rooms tucked into quiet corners, and cabanas that overlook the gardens. For golfers, there's an 18-hole course next door, designed by Greg Norman, with direct access from the resort. Guests who like to stay active can make use of a sleek fitness center, tennis courts, and a schedule of wellness programs that go beyond the basics. Around the pool and beachfront areas, attendants handle towels, drinks, and setup, so you can just settle in and relax without lifting a finger. Everything here is arranged to feel polished and easy, whether your priority is staying busy or doing as little as possible. Entertainment at Atelier Playa Mujeres leans more toward curated experiences than loud, all-day activities. Evenings often feature live bands, themed shows, and cultural performances that give the resort a polished, grown-up energy without ever feeling over the top. For guests who enjoy a social buzz, the open-air lounges and bars become natural gathering spots after dinner, with a mix of live music and casual DJ sets that create an easygoing nightlife vibe. Not a club scene, but lively enough to keep you out late if you want to be. Daytime options are more relaxed, but just as varied. You might catch a tequila or mezcal tasting, join a painting class, or take part in a casual game by the pool. It's entertainment designed to fit your pace, whether that's quiet, social, or somewhere in between. Dining at Atelier Playa Mujeres is one of the resort's strongest draws, with a lineup that's designed to feel elevated rather than a typical buffet-heavy all-inclusive. Each of the 13 restaurants has its own concept, so you're not rotating through the same options night after night. Seafood lovers tend to make a beeline for the beachfront venues, where fresh fish and ceviche are served steps from the sand with a view to match. For something more refined, Maria Dolores by Edgar Nunez delivers a fine dining experience that's on par with some of Cancun's top standalone restaurants. While most venues are fully included, this signature restaurant does carry a surcharge, starting around $100 per person, making it more of a special occasion option. Lighter, laid-back spots like the Trattoria and Asian Fusion restaurant are ideal for casual lunches or nights when you don't want to dress up. Breakfast stands out too, not just for variety, but for how fresh and well-presented everything is, from tropical fruit platters to made-to-order omelets. And for quiet nights in, room service runs 24/7, so you can enjoy the same quality without leaving your suite. This is a property designed exclusively for adults, which creates a calm, upscale environment, but won't suit travelers looking for a lively, family-focused resort. Nightlife on site leans sophisticated and social rather than high energy, so if clubbing is part of your trip, you'll likely be heading into Cancun at night. Another factor to consider is availability. The Inspira-level suites and oceanfront rooms are among the most popular, and they often sell out months ahead. So booking early is smart if you're set on a specific room type. If you need somewhere else to stay, I'll link to some alternatives below. Atelier Playa Mujeres positions itself as a luxury all-inclusive, but what makes it stand out is how much value it delivers for the price point compared to similar 5-star resorts in the Cancun and Playa Mujeres area. The atmosphere is intentionally elevated but not pretentious, giving you access to fine dining, attentive service, and beautiful grounds without needing constant upgrades or add-ons. Even the entry-level suites include thoughtful touches that would be considered premium elsewhere, which means you don't have to spend extra to get a genuinely luxurious experience. Atelier Playa Mujeres is best suited for adults who want a refined, all-inclusive experience without giving up comfort or convenience. It's a strong match for couples looking for a romantic escape, friends planning a relaxing getaway, or solo travelers who appreciate a polished, social atmosphere without the chaos of a party resort. The calm, upscale setting makes it ideal for honeymoons, anniversaries, or milestone trips, especially for those who value good food, attentive service, and modern design. Golfers will appreciate having direct access to a championship course, while wellness-focused travelers will find plenty of ways to slow down and recharge. It's not designed for travelers seeking nightlife or family activities, but if your idea of the perfect vacation is lounging by the pool with a handcrafted cocktail, enjoying beautifully plated food, and exploring at your own pace, this resort is a great fit. Lock in your 40% discount via my link below before this incredible deal expires.